everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Seth.
Have you ever forgotten English words while ordering food?
Or felt nervous talking to fast food workers?
Then, today's episode is perfect for you.
Because today, we're learning real fast food English,
Simple phrases
useful vocabulary.
and real restaurant conversations.
So relax.
And let's go order some food.
Hey look, there's a fast food restaurant over there.
Perfect timing, I'm starving.
Same here. Let's go inside.
Hello? Welcome to Burger Spot.
Hi.
What can I get for you today?
Give me 1 second, please.
Nervous again?
Very nervous.
Why?
Every time I order food in English, my brain stops working.
Honestly, many English learners feel like that.
Really?
Of course, real conversations feel different from studying grammar.
That's true.
But don't worry, today we practice together.
Okay, teacher Seth, help me.
First, remember this easy phrase. Can I get?
Yes.
You can use it almost everywhere.
So I can say, can I get a burger?
Exactly.
Or can I get fries?
Perfect.
Maybe this is easier than I thought.
Confidence starts small.
That sounded wise.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
You can do it.
Okay, can I get a chicken burger combo, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And
And what would you like to drink?
can I get iced tea?
Oh, I'm sorry. We're out of iced tea today.
Oh, really?
See? Real English situation.
Okay, then can I get lemonade instead?
Of course.
Perfect answer?
Really?
Yes. Instead is a very useful word.
Oh, wow. I learned something new already.
And what about you, sir?
Can I get a double cheeseburger combo with Coke?
Sure. Would you like extra fries for $1 more?
Seth, don't do it.
But I love fries.
You already ordered a large combo.
My heart says yes.
Your stomach says yes, too.
Okay, yes, extra fries, please.
Great choice.
Dangerous choice.
Delicious choice.
Would you also like extra cheese?
Sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
Of course. Would you like extra cheese?
Okay.
Another super useful phrase.
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect when someone speaks too fast.
I think beginners really need this phrase.
Absolutely.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
You know something interesting?
What?
Fast food restaurants teach very practical English.
That's true,
The conversations are short,
but extremely useful.
especially for beginners.
Because people use the same phrases again and again.
Like, what size? Anything else? For here or to go?
Yes, that last one is very important.
For here means you eat inside the restaurant.
And to go means you take the food with you.
Very useful for travelers too.
Definitely.
Seth, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Those are usually the best stories.
One time I wanted ketchup,
Okay.
but I forgot the word ketchup.
Oh no.
So I said, can I have tomato jam?
Tomato jam? That's incredible.
The worker looked so confused.
I would be confused too.
But honestly, after that day, I never forgot the word ketchup.
That's actually a great lesson.
Really?
Yes, funny mistakes help us remember better.
That's true.
Mistakes are not enemies.
They are teachers.
Wow, Emma, that sounded deep.
Thank you. I'm becoming wise too.
Here's your order.
Wow, this smells amazing.
My burger looks huge.
And your fries mountain looks scary.
Beautiful, not scary.
Same thing.
Okay, everyone, let's learn some useful vocabulary while we eat.
Word number 1, combo.
A combo means a meal set.
Usually burger, fries, and a drink together.
Word number 2, receipt.
The paper showing what you bought.
Example, please keep your receipt.
Word number 3, tray.
The flat thing carrying your food.
Word number 4, refill.
Refill means getting more of your drink.
Example, can I get a refill?
Very common in America.
Word number 5, napkin.
A napkin is paper used to clean your hands or mouth while eating.
Example, can I have another napkin?
Super useful word.
Especially when Seth eats burgers.
Hey,
Your hands are already messy.
that's part of the burger experience. Okay, Emma, try your burger.
All right.
Big moment. Good?
So good.
Better than tomato jam?
Please stop saying tomato jam.
Never.
The fries are crispy too.
And the burger is really juicy,
Honestly, fast food is dangerous.
but delicious.
Very delicious.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I get more ketchup, please?
Of course.
Another useful phrase.
Can I get more ketchup?
You can replace ketchup with many words.
Sauce, water, napkins.
Very practical English.
Exactly.
You know what I realized today?
What?
Speaking English is a little like going to the gym.
Interesting metaphor.
At first, everything feels difficult.
True.
But little by little, you become stronger.
That's exactly how confidence works.
Small practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
And slowly, English feels natural.
One conversation at a time.
One burger at a time.
That too.
Honestly, I already feel more confident now.
And that's the most important thing.
Not perfect grammar.
Nope.
Not difficult vocabulary.
Nope.
Then what?
Having the courage to speak.
I like that.
Remember everyone, every fluent English speaker was once nervous too.
So, don't wait to be perfect.
Just start speaking.
Even small conversations matter.
Even small progress matters.
Okay, everyone, before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson.
Today, we learned useful fast food phrases.
Like, could you repeat that, please? For here or to go? Can I get a refill?
We also learned useful vocabulary.
Combo, receipt, tray, refill, napkin,
And most importantly, slow English is okay.
and simple English is powerful.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite fast food?
Burgers, pizza, fries, fried chicken?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Even short comments are great practice.
And if this video helped you,
Please like and subscribe.
it really helps the channel grow.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing every day,
Keep believing in yourself.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye everyone.
Take care and keep learning English.